Imagine stepping into a home straight out of a glossy magazine spread without breaking the bank. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Today, we're about to embark on a journey, unveiling 8 secrets that will transform your living space into a dream home, even on a shoestring budget. From thrifty finds to strategic tweaks, we've got the lowdown on how to elevate your home aesthetics without a hefty price tag. Welcome to Serene Shelter, your go-to guide for all things home and living. Our first secret lies in the transformative power of paint. Imagine unlocking a whole new world of possibilities with just a few strokes of a brush. Picture this, a fresh coat of paint, breathing life into an otherwise dull room. It's amazing how such a simple and affordable change can dramatically alter the vibe of your space. Now, you don't need to break the bank for high-end brands. There are plenty of cost-effective options available that will still give you that sleek and polished finish. It's all about choosing the right color. Warm tones like beiges and soft whites can create an inviting atmosphere, while cool blues and greens can evoke a sense of calm and tranquility. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, why not experiment with a feature wall? A single, bold-colored wall can serve as a stunning focal point, adding depth and personality to your room. Remember, a little paint can go a long way in making your home look like it's straight out of a magazine. Our next 2 secrets take us on a treasure hunt and a crafting adventure. Imagine walking into a thrift store, a place where each item has its own story to tell. The beauty of thrift stores is the potential they hold for unique and affordable home decor items. It's like a treasure trove waiting to be explored. You might stumble across a vintage lamp that adds a touch of nostalgia to your living room, or perhaps a rustic wooden crate that doubles as a chic coffee table. The possibilities are endless, but don't stop there. Let's tap into the magic of do-it-yourself projects. DIY allows you to infuse your personal touch into your space. It's all about transforming the ordinary into extraordinary. Consider something as simple as painting an old picture frame and using it as a wall decor piece. Or how about upcycling an old ladder into a trendy bookshelf? Not only are these projects budget-friendly, but they also add a touch of personality and charm to your home. The key here is to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and color palettes. Remember, it's your space, and it should reflect your style, your personality. So the next time you pass by a thrift store, step inside. You might find your next piece of home decor waiting for you among the aisles. And when you're feeling crafty, roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and start a DIY project. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating a space that's uniquely yours. With a keen eye for thrifting and a dash of DIY magic, you can create a unique space that reflects your style. Our next secrets shed light on the importance of illumination and organization. Lighting dramatically influences the ambiance of any room. It can make a space appear more spacious, cozy, or even highlight specific features. Affordable options include LED strips, floor lamps, or even string fairy lights. Positioning is key. Place your light source near mirrors to reflect more light, or by a reading nook for a cozy corner. Now let's talk about the backbone of a well-kept home: storage. A clutter-free home is a magazine-worthy home, and the secret to achieving this lies in clever storage solutions. Think about multi-purpose furniture, like an ottoman with hidden storage or shelves built into staircases. You can also utilize walls for hanging storage or invest in aesthetically pleasing baskets and boxes. Remember, every nook and cranny can serve a purpose. But storage isn't just about hiding stuff away, it's about organization. Consider labeling your storage boxes or adopting the KonMari method of folding clothes. With a place for everything and everything in its place, cleaning up becomes a breeze. With strategic lighting and clever storage, you can create a home that's not just beautiful, but functional too. Our final secrets bring life, creativity, and harmony to your space. Let's start with plants, those green and vibrant companions. They not only purify the air but also serve as natural decor, adding a fresh and lively ambiance to any room. Next, let's talk about art. It's more than just a visual treat. It's a way to express your personality and taste. You don't need a Picasso or a Monet. A simple yet meaningful piece can become the focal point of a room, sparking conversations and making your space truly yours. Lastly, we have the rule of odd numbers. This design principle suggests that arrangements of odd numbers are more appealing and effective than even-numbered groupings. So try arranging your decor in groups of 3 or 5. It creates visual interest and keeps the eye moving around the room. With plants, art, and the rule of odd numbers, you can create a balanced and magazine-worthy home. And there you have it, 8 secrets to creating a magazine-worthy home on a tight budget. From the transformative power of paint to the charm of thrift store treasures and the magic of do-it-yourself projects. We've also discussed the impact of strategic lighting, clever storage, and the rule of odd numbers. Not forgetting the aesthetic and health benefits of plants and the personal touch art brings to your space. We'd love to know your thoughts. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more tips and tricks on home living. Until next time, happy decorating!